together, we are going to go into this court and tell the judge that this law is discriminatory, and we reject that. That this law will make our communities less safe, and we reject that. That this law will lead to families being needlessly torn apart, and we reject that.
Today we go to court to fight for the soul of our state, to fight for the soul of our nation. Hoy estamos aquí en los tribunales para luchar por el alma de nuestro estado, para luchar por el alma de nuestro país. There are people in this building who will stand before a judge and argue that some Texans are less Texan, that some Americans are less Americans, because they speak different languages, because of their clothes they wear, because of the traditions they honor, because of the places they choose to pray, or because of the color of their skin. They are wrong. Local officials and communities know what's best for our public safety. SB4 is an insult to our values and our freedom.
Here in Texas, our local governments stand alongside grassroots movements today in this fight. Just 40 days ago, many of you stood together on the Capitol steps calling for a summer of resistance against SB4. You called on elected leaders like us to challenge this law in this courthouse. And here we are. In just 40 days, from El Paso to Houston, from the Valley to Dallas, from the capital city to here in San Antonio, a historic number of cities have responded to the people's call and said, we hear you, we support you, and we're here in this fight with you here today.